All right, you guys, this is a quick video on how good the Panther Martin lure is. I have 4 of them right here. I got this cool little river that I'm about to go fishing in right now. I'm so excited, you guys. I just want to point out a couple different things. I've used many lures, and this is like the #1 company right here, you guys, Panther Martin. So I did want to show, like, there's a little bit of differences on each one. Like, this one looks like a rainbow trout color, but this has a treble hook, meaning it has 3 hooks all the way at the bottom. This one's very similar, but it just has the 1 hook at the bottom. Okay, this is another variation right here. I think this is also going to catch some good stuff. I really love the rainbow colored ones though. And then this one is a foxtail, because you guys can see, like, it has that little foxtail and it's covering up the hooks right there at the very bottom. So I'm going to throw on one of these and let's see what we can catch. Right, you guys, I attached my lure so it's ready to go. This part right here is called a spoon, so it's gonna spin nice in the water. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second, but it pretty much fakes it out and it's supposed to look like a fish. That way a bigger fish comes along and snatches it up. Let me show you what it looks like in the water, and then we're gonna actually test it out. So here's what it looks like in the water, you guys. You guys can see it's nice and shiny, and that attracts the fish right there. All right, here's a look at another one right here. I like this one because of the foxtail. If there's a lot of seaweeds, it could actually block the seaweed. So I do like this one right here too. Yay! All right, you guys, I got a little one. As you guys can see, I was using that foxtail one. I like it. It's a little bit light on the light side, but it did the trick. You guys can see right here. All right, you guys, here goes another one. I just been catching them left and right. Oh, this one looks nice right here. You can see it's starting to get that rainbow color right there. I like it.